My name is Shubham Singh. I am leading electrical team at Manastu Space. Electrical team at Manastu Space has two subsystems. First one is the instrumentation and second one is the avionics. In instrumentation, we take care of all the day-to-day engine testing activities. We do lot of testing in ground and in vacuum as well. And our role is to acquire all the various sensors data and store in a single place for the performance evaluation. Then we give to the other departments. And coming to the other part, avionics. In avionics, our role is to design a control system for the propulsion module. Basically, avionics came from the aviation field. It's like a brain of the system. It collects the data from the various sensors, do the calculation and actuate the drivers. So this is all about the electrical team and how we are functioning at Manastu Space, and I'm very lucky that I have a very good team. I always interested in the electronics background. During my graduation, I was the part of one Formula Style EV race car team where I was responsible for making a high voltage battery pack. The capacity was around 20 kilowatt hour and the voltage was around 500 volt, and I was also part of the designing low voltage and high voltage safety circuits. So after completion of my graduation, I heard about Manastu, that Manastu is doing some crazy thing. They are planning to refuel the satellites in space, and then I applied for the intern job role and I got the opportunity. So I successfully completed 3 years in Manastu. Actually, there are so many things which I like about the Manastu. Here, the work culture is very good. If I need any kind of help, I can just go out and ask with any of the department. They will ready to help me. So this thing I really like. So to ensuring the reliability, we always start from the scratch. First, we acquire all the clear requirement from all the departments and all the subsystem. In our case, we have 4 or 5 departments like Catalyst, Propellant team, AIT team and the design team. So our first role is to just acquire the data in a very detailed way so that we should not miss anything. And then we move to the other things like fixing the architecture. And for freezing the architecture, we performed FME analysis, failure mode effect analysis. Basically, in this analysis, you predict all type of failures and you also try to solve by giving some solutions. And after the freezing the architecture, we move to the component selection part. Again, component selection, schematic generation and layouting of PCB is very crucial for any of the product development. It directly proportional to how you will get the performance and how your product will be good in terms of quality and reliability. For us, the great challenge was to make a very small size control system for a propulsion module. It was very difficult to fit all the critical things like processing, EPS and actuation part in a very small form factor. And also it was difficult to maintain the temperature drift, thermal stability and redundancy. And also one of the electronic board is very near to the thruster. So whenever thruster fires, it can reach up to 1200 to 1300 degrees of Celsius. So your system should perform according to the desired value. So it was the toughest challenge for us, but we tested a lot and we are very confident that everything is working very good. For my department, it's very important the person should coming from the electronics background. He should know all about basics and he should conduct the research by own, and also he should able to make test plans and perform so many testings, because in day-to-day activity we do lot of testings. In the POEM mission, I and my team contributed in the designing of the control system for the propulsion module. We started from the scratch. First we took all the requirements from the different departments. Then we have done lot of testing on the ground, not only individual, also in the integrated mode. And also we performed lot of testing with the POEM platform. Basically in this test, you have to attach your payload with the actual PSLV 4 stage and you have to perform all the testings. So this thing we have also done successfully. Our electronics is the perfect combination of cost effectiveness, quality and the performance.